Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What we're looking at here is a little bracket system that we use. So when you're using a whirlaway, what you can do is simply put this bracket, drill 2 holes through the system, and then you're on a spigot gun. So it means you don't have to keep walking backwards to swap from and turn the machine on and off, or open the ball valve to switch from gun to patio cleaner. Just let go of the trigger on the system. This goes in as normal on a quick release spigot system that clips into there. You would then drill 2 little holes through the patio cleaner itself on the side, on the upright straight, not on the bend but on the upright, so it's on the right angle. You would then push it around the patio cleaner with the gun and use that gun and the handle on the other side, making that main handle on the system redundant, especially with it only being plastic and everything else which do break. You would then attach your hose as normal straight onto this point here. So as you put it all together, this comes through. Leave it enough room for this to spin. You tighten this fitting on and this onto here, so then you put your hose from you down to your patio cleaner into this point here. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.